Is Putin a bloodthirsty dictator? Let's keep looking for the answer to this question. Check the previous videos for context, thank you. The Minsk Agreements. This is why it is never too late to change your mind and admit a mistake. These very agreements reveal the inconsistency and dishonesty of the policies of European countries and the United States, which were involved in trying to resolve the Ukrainian crisis. Look, the agreements were concluded twice, with France, Germany, and the OSCE acting as mediators, and they were signed by authorized representatives of Ukraine precisely when the Ukrainian armed forces were suffering painful defeats and were therefore forced to accept the terms dictated by the victorious side. Everything seems logical, right? Yes, except that some time later, when Ukraine received additional weapons, redeployed troops, conducted rotations, and strengthened its rear, many began to talk about how unfair those agreements were. Naturally, what fairness is there when you're ready to resume fighting with renewed strength? And then, several years after the beginning of the actual war between neighbors, the German Chancellor stated the obvious: the burdensome agreements for Ukraine had been merely a tactic to buy time, not a genuine attempt to reconcile the sides. And Ukrainian officials rushed to declare how bad those agreements had been. Do you still think this conflict could have been resolved without military intervention?